Bunny everybody mo kí ẹ̀yin ti tẹ́ ní ọmọ ológo káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì mi ẹ kú àárọ̀ mo tún mú àwọn ìròyìn wá lọ́lọ́kọ̀ òjọ̀kan láàárẹ̀ ká tó máa lọ mo kọ́kọ́ mú fídíò mo fẹ́ fún yín láwọn fídíò kan.
I read in the papers that former Minister of Internal Affairs Aregbeshola met with the traditional ruler of Osogbo, right, Laroye II, where he was saying that the traditional ruler should help him beg anybody that he has offended, including former Governor Oyinlola, whose election, his successor, he described as a sham. And he went on and on to say Tîñúbü is the man who made him. If any, you have been around for some time.
No, you can't. Why would you say that?
You have been
Somebody
around for...
called names like called Igni.
You have been around for some time, if any. So these politicians, it's Baba Kabiru looking for another job. I mean, why can't these politicians just stay where they stand? So after all of this, and Tîñúbü is now making appointments, Comrade Aregbeshola is now going around saying, please help me beg Tîñúbü, help me beg Oyinlola, when it was actually, you know, a principal factor in the misfortune of the APC in Osun State. So we keep learning in this country about human character, about politics. So maybe, if any, you are a prominent journalist. Maybe you too should help Comrade Aregbeshola to beg Tîñúbü, to beg Oyinlola, to beg everybody, because the man will say anybody that he has offended, please, so they should forgive him.
No, don't beg for
and it's available.
Don't beg.
I don't want to believe
how you beg for?
He has not denied the story.
No, I'm not talking about the story. I don't want to be like Ogbeni rawo Aregbeshola is begging for a position in this government.
But he's begging.
He just served for eight years now as Internal Affairs Minister. We know what happened to the prisons, the number of jailbreaks, unable to solve such problems. So I don't think there's anything right now to recommend him to Bola Ahmed Tîñúbü, the president.
He's begging everybody that he has offended.
If begging was the only thing, I would have joined. But there's more than begging. That's what I'm telling you.
For me, it's even after all the words he said against Bola Ahmed Tîñúbü and the fact that he felt he could assert his dominance over Bola Ahmed Tîñúbü in Osun State, President Tîñúbü. Now you are backtracking and begging. So there you did not know that you will have a day to beg like this. No, the president should not even listen to him.
No, but he says Asiwaju is the architect of his success.
This was the same person that was calling Asiwaju a very slurry name. I mean, he thinks we are forgetting. Igbi Ragbiji. This was the same person that was calling Asiwaju all sorts of names. No. Asiwaju has not. You know, Asiwaju can be a forgiving man, but he should not forget this one particular. Shebi Aregbeshola say he have power. He should use the power to there. He's no longer minister, now he's begging.
Well, you never know with politicians.
Okay, it's a prerogative of the president to reconcile, to heal. Maybe they will make Aregbeshola
you should put him
minister,
first.
or they will send him to the United Nations to represent Nigeria.
Talking about the presidency.
I'm learning,
Yes.
I think you are the oldest on this table. I think we should keep learning.
Ruben, just to add one more thing. Nobody should be saying Emiloko in the villa anymore.
Yes.
Because gbogbo wa ló kàn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
All of us, whether you are from the southeast, from the southwest,
you are asking for forgiveness.
Gbogbo wa ló kàn.
You are asking for forgiveness.
Forgiveness for forgiveness for what? What did you do?
No, not forgiveness.
For all this your wawulence.
No, this one is constructive.
We continue on our part.
It's our job. No, that's
our job.
Okay, we too will beg for forgiveness.
No, I'm not begging for forgiveness for what?
For what?
For talking to make my country better.
Is forgiveness.
No, Dr. Abati, I know I'm not begging for any forgiveness. All the things I've said on this platform was to make my country better, and I'll keep saying it.
No, it's not for what we say.
No, it's not a personal thing.
No, what I'm saying, Ruben, is that,
after all, President Buhari also begged for forgiveness.
No, Ruben, you can say it's my turn to be president, but once you become president, you are the president for all.
Yes.
That's the basis of gbogbo wa ló kàn.
Okay. Gbogbo wa ló kàn.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Emma.